Stink, go. Go, Stink, go. Go. You're not moving. Go, Stink. There you go. 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 Go, Stink, go. You're not moving. There you go. Go, Stink, go. Go, Stinky. Go. Okay. Go. Go, Stinky, go.
They just celebrated their 15th anniversary.
Go, fat girl. Go, Stink, go. Go, Stink, go. No, no turning over. Go. She's almost at the edge of the bed. Go, Stink, go. Go, Jayla, go. Go, Jayla, go. Go, Jayla, go. Jayla.
May I have your attention, please? I'm Sean's publicist, and recently there has been a lot of speculation about his future. And rather than keep you all in suspense, he will make a brief statement at this time.
Go, Stink, go. She's almost there. She moved all the way from up there to back here. No, Stinky, that's my book. No. No book.
The cliche when someone's retiring and doesn't want to retire is to say that it's because they want to spend more time with their family. I don't have a
Go, Stink, go.
With everything football has given me, the biggest thing it's taken away is that.
That's not your book, Stinky.
Who I am, because of my job, I haven't.
Don't give her my book to tear up.
She can't tear them.
She can't tear up the pages on the inside.
She can't get even over it.
I'm gay.
I knew it.
Any questions? And be cool, because I'm not about
No,
to kick
Stinking.
anybody's ass.
No.
First question. Kelvin Moore, KBLA.
Sean, I'm confused here. Are you saying that you're retired?
Oh, right, that. Nah, Kelvin. No, I'm not retiring. I'm gay, and I'm gonna play.
Wow. Stinky.
I'm gay, and I still play.